Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Altitude.
What does the dictionary say?
The perpendicular distance from the vertex of a figure to the side opposite the vertex.
Math rap.
It's the height of something above the level of the sea, but it means so much more in geometry. A line leaving at right angles to the opposite vertex is where altitude cashes its valued paychecks.
Math rap.
Explain altitude in your own words. Is it a term on another level? Count how many times a day you climb on things. Name as many jobs as you can where climbing is a must. Guess how many altitudes are in a triangle. I'll give you 3 tries. Guess, then research. In terms of sea level, guess the altitude of where you're at. Now research. Do you deserve a high five? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!